RS Insulation Corp specializes in energy-efficient insulation for residential and commercial properties across Massachusetts. With over 11 years of experience, we offer high-performance solutions like spray foam, fiberglass, blown-in cellulose, mineral wool, fire blocking, and more. We are BBB accredited in Massachusetts, proving our commitment to quality, transparency, and customer satisfaction. We work with certified materials, trained professionals, and a large fleet for fast and reliable service. Visit us in Hanover, Massachusetts, or anywhere in the state. Call now, 781-332-2138. Again, that's 781-332-2138. Or visit rsinsulationcorp.com for your free estimate. RS Insulation Corp, creating insulation solutions for your comfort and savings.